The sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the African savanna. A young wildebeest calf, still unsteady on its legs, stumbles as it tries to keep up with the rapidly moving herd. Its mother, flanks heaving, urges it forward with a gentle nudge of her head. Danger lurks in the gathering darkness. The calf, its senses overwhelmed by the sights and smells of the savanna, doesn't notice the two glowing eyes watching from the tall grass. A lioness, belly tight with hunger, tenses her muscles, ready to pounce. Generations of instinct drive her forward. Hunt, kill, survive. This is the brutal reality of life and death on the savanna. The lioness explodes from the grass, a tawny blur against the darkening sky. The calf bleats in terror, its small hooves pounding the dry earth. The chase is on. The calf's only hope is to stay with the herd, to use the sheer number of bodies as a shield against the predator's relentless pursuit. But the lioness is faster, more agile. The outcome, it seems, is inevitable. Lions are the undisputed rulers of their domain, their power evident in every aspect of their being. Their roars, deep and guttural, echo across the savanna, a chilling reminder of their dominance. These majestic creatures are highly social animals, living and hunting in prides. Nighttime is their preferred hunting time. Under the cloak of darkness they become silent, deadly shadows, moving with precision and purpose. Using coordinated strategies, they stalk their prey, surrounding them before launching a coordinated attack. Even with their formidable skills, a hunt is not always successful. A failed hunt means another night with empty bellies, another day of gnawing hunger. This desperation can lead to risky behavior, particularly for young males trying to prove themselves or females with hungry cubs to feed. Across the savanna, another predator reigns supreme in the art of the chase. The cheetah, sleek and slender, is a blur of spotted fur as it explodes across the open plains, its powerful legs propelling it to incredible speeds. This is a creature built for speed. The cheetah's hunting strategy is one of pure speed and agility. Unlike lions, they rely on a quick burst of energy to outrun their prey. Their chases are breathtaking displays of athleticism, a ballet of predator and prey played out on the vast canvas of the savanna. However, even with their incredible speed, success is not guaranteed. A slight miscalculation, a stumble, or a desperate maneuver by the prey can mean the difference between a full belly and an empty stomach. The cheetah's slender frame, while built for speed, lacks the raw power of the lion, making it vulnerable to injury from struggling prey. While lions and cheetahs rule the savanna, a different kind of predator lurks in the shadows: the mosquito. Tiny but deadly, these insects are a constant threat, their high-pitched whine a harbinger of itchy bites and potential disease. A single bite can swell to an unbearable size, the relentless itching driving even the most stoic individual to distraction. Leeches, another unseen predator, lurk in the murky depths of waterholes. These slimy creatures latch onto unsuspecting animals, their presence often unnoticed until they have had their fill. The bite itself is painless thanks to a natural anesthetic, but the sight of a blood-sucking leech can send shivers down the spine. Humans, for all their technological advancements, are still vulnerable to the dangers of the natural world. Lost in the wilderness, stripped of our modern comforts, we are reminded of the raw power of nature, and in extreme conditions, even the smallest of creatures, like the mosquito, can become a significant threat. Their bites a constant irritant that can quickly escalate to a medical emergency.